Hello and welcome back to Cooking Club. So today I'm going to be cooking out of beautiful smoothie bowls. And this is by Carissa Bonham. There are 80 delicious and colorful superfood recipes to nourish and satisfy. And you can find that on Hoopla completely free. I'm going to be making the berry party smoothie. You need a banana, frozen banana, a milk of your choice, fresh and frozen raspberries, fresh and frozen strawberries, fresh blueberries, some vanilla, chia seeds for topping, and instead of using coconut flakes, I'm going to be using some pecans on mine. And then, of course, you'll need a blender. All right, let's get started. So I'm all done, that was it. It was incredibly easy. The only thing is my blender is pretty cheap, so I had a suspicion that I needed to add more liquid, and I was right. So I had the recipe and did one batch and did a little bit more oat milk and added some water, and then I did the same for the second one. Since it is a little bit thinner, the fruit isn't sitting on top quite as perfectly as it is in the cookbook, so maybe it's not as Instagrammable, but it looks just as delicious.